Think about the last lesson you planned. Did it involve calling children over, having them sit down, and leading them through something you designed? What if I told you some of the most meaningful teaching moments don't look like that at all?
One teacher calls children to the table to practice shapes. Another teacher sits down in the block area where children are already building and asks, "I noticed this one has 3 sides. What shape do you think that is?"
Which one do you think the children are more engaged in? Which one feels more meaningful? A lesson doesn't have to interrupt play. A lesson can live inside play. Remember to notice what children are doing, join their play, and then extend their thinking.
Notice what children are doing. I notice you're lining up all the cars. Join their play. Can I play with you? Extend their thinking. I wonder which car is the fastest. How could we test that?
To get started, ask yourself questions like, what are children in your classroom already interested in right now? Where could I join instead of redirect? What is one concept I could support without stopping their play? If this feels a little uncomfortable, that's okay. It's a different way of thinking about teaching. You might feel like you're not doing enough, but this kind of teaching actually requires you to be more observant and more intentional. For your next lesson, start with play, stay in play, teach through play. Show us how you notice, join, and extend children's thinking.